here for my home tour. So we have lived in this house for the past 6 years and have kind of transformed it into something that is more us. Our home was built in the 1950s and it is a split level, so we kind of have a whole bunch of half levels throughout our house. When we were looking for houses, we thought that this one was just perfect for everything that our family could need, and we really have made it our own. So I'm going to take you on a little tour so you can see how we organized it and made this entire space totally us. This is our entryway / living room. So the wall behind me has been transformed into many different colors of paint. We started with gray, then we did blue, now we are on a deep purple. I absolutely love it, and it really showcases all of the pictures that we have on our gallery wall. Because I'm so crazy organized, I like seeing the nice clean lines. It gives me calm, and I love that when you walk in, this is kind of like a statement piece. So in our little entryway table, I have a bunch of baskets, but guess what? Nothing is in the baskets. These honestly were the only things that fit in there that didn't look too cluttery, so I just liked how clean they looked, even though they hold nothing. So since our living room is in our entryway and it's kind of an awkward space, so we use this couch to kind of divide the room into two separate areas. Since our entire entryway and living room are one giant room, I needed a way to section them off. So I started by using the couch and the table behind me, and then we laid down some rugs to create two separate spaces. My main goal was to keep all the decor really minimal, but find things that I really loved and wanted to showcase. So when I decorated our house, it was like a slow process. I redid our entire living room entryway for the one room challenge, and that included painting the doors, the fireplace, and really like rearranging furniture, adding curtains because we didn't have curtains on there before. And I mean, like I said, this was a really slow process, but because it went so slow, I'm so happy with how it turned out. And I really haven't had to switch out decor, which is amazing. I mean, I will like shop my home, which that just means that I go around from room to room, collect all of my decor pieces, put them in one area, and then put them in a different area of the house. It is probably my favorite decorating tip because you can just make a room look totally different without spending any money. You just shopped your home. So I'm a total plant lady at heart, and I have a ton of plants all throughout our house. This guy, I got it in an estate sale, and now he's kind of been growing all over the place. So we painted our fireplace and the mantle and the back wall, which was not originally the purple color like our accent wall. To keep things really minimal, we went with bookcases on both sides of the fireplace. And then all the decor pieces that I put in are things that I've either found that I've loved, or that have been family pieces, or books, because I love books. Watch this next video to check out our dining room.